Hi, pretty girl. Do you have anything to say? No, you're not talking right now. Are you busy? Hey, Briella. Are you busy, girl? Look at you, girl. Say hi. Welcome back to Mommy and B. What is going on, guys? Today is Wednesday, October 3rd, I believe. 2nd or 3rd, yeah. Today is my day off. We have a lot to do. Say we have to go to the gym. Then we have to do a little bit of cleaning. And I'm gonna put up my fall decorations. Earlier it was raining. I think it stopped now. Hopefully. I think it's supposed to rain later too, though. Oh, and this morning Trayvon scared me, and I'm pretty sure I smacked him in the face. So be sure to go check out that video. I will put it in the description below. It's on our other channel, The Moore Family. So be sure to go check that out and subscribe to that channel as well. What do you have to say to them? What? Oh, yeah? Oh, okay, tell them. You ready to get dressed? So yeah, right now we're just gonna get around and then probably go to the gym and stuff, and then we'll come home. So just keep watching. Can you show them your pretty outfit? Say, look at my outfit of the day. Get your ball. Can you get it? Get it, girl. You got it. Get it. Oh, it's blowing away from you. There you go. Good job, girly. You showing them your ball? Oh! Get it. Can you get it? No, you found your outfit instead? Briella. Briella. Oh, you're showing them? You showing them? Oh, no, girl. Okay, so we haven't made it anywhere. Say, I took a nap. Briella, did you take a nap? She took a nap, and now we're eating lunch, and then we'll get ready to go. Right. Yeah, what do you want to do on this rainy day? Huh? Oh, he's so happy. You showing them your teeth? Yeah. Oh, you made a mess with your food, huh? You trying to reach for them? Here, do you want a bite of this? You want a bite of this? No? He's such a stinker. Oh no. Is there a bone in there? You gonna talk to them? No? Oh. Look at the pretty baby. Hi. Briella, what are you doing? What are you doing in the pantry? Are you trying to pull that out? Guys, she is so strong. She already pulled it out a little bit, and I looked over And those noodles were almost falling. Briella. Girl? What do you think you're doing? Briella. Are you too busy to look at me? She's ignoring me. Briella. Hey, Missy. She's smiling. She knows what she's doing. Girl, look at me. No? Such a stinker. Hey, are you ready to leave? Briella, you ready to go to the Y? And then to the store? Hey, are you ready? Are you ready? You silly girl. Alright, you guys, we are getting ready to head to the gym and then to the store. Alright, you guys, finally got these hay bales. Only took 2 trips because the first time they wouldn't fit in my car, so I went back with Trayvon's car and we literally had to shove them in the car. But we got them, so now we're gonna set this up. What you got? You have some chocolate? Ooh, girl! Did Daddy give that to you? Okay, you guys, now all I need is some pumpkins that I'm gonna get soon. Are you dancing, girl? You dancing with Daddy? Say, we're gonna make some cookies! She just ate some chocolate. So you are very messy, huh, girl? Yes. Since it's a rainy, crappy day outside, we decided what better thing to do than bake. Uh-oh. Is that poo-poo or chocolate? Oh. Chocolate chip, check. Baking soda, check. Butter, check. Sugar, check. Vanilla, check. Brown sugar, check. Flour, check. Salt, check. Eggs, check. Partner in crime, check. Are you ready to bake for the first time, girl? You gonna help mommy? Yes? Okay. Gotta preheat the oven first, okay, girl? Right, girl. Got some butter. The butter. Sugar. You gonna pour it in there? You're gonna watch. Sugar. Oh my goodness, girl. Oh no, girl, we need that. Look, look. We're making chocolate chip cookies. You don't care? No? Where you going, girl? Where you going? What's my pretty girl doing? Are you playing? You playing with us? You happy, baby? Are you gonna talk or no? Say good morning. You happy this morning? Yeah, say every morning, Mama. What's going on, guys? It is actually the next morning. We stopped filming making our cookies because Briella's teeth were hurting, weren't they? Yeah, they were hurting her, so she just kind of wanted to lay down and snuggle, and then she fell asleep. So that's how our night went, huh, baby? But our cookies turned out really good, huh? Daddy finished making them. Let me show you guys. I literally had 3 of these. Oh. Daddy wrapped them good. My gosh, look at those. Oh, they're so soft and so good. Huh, baby? Saying today, Mommy has to go to work. I know, baby. But Mama will be home soon, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna end this vlog right here. Don't forget to give it a what? Say a thumbs up. Comment down below. Share our video. Say and subscribe. Oh, no. Is that how you're gonna feel if they don't subscribe? Okay, you have to tell them then. Say subscribe. Say bye. See you next time. Oh. Yeah. Say bye-bye.